Yes, students, today we are going to see cell division. Now, what happens in cell division? Cell divides into the two cells, then four cells, and likewise multiply and multiply. That is called proliferation. So, again, this cell division is divided into two main types, that is the mitosis and meiosis. Right? So, what happens in between these two? The mitosis is occur into the somatic cells, whereas this meiosis in the germ cells or the gametic cells. Right? Now, listen, these somatic cells and germ cells differs as their function is differs. Somatic cells, the entire body cells, whereas the germ cells are the reproductive in nature. They are helpful for the formation of sperms and the ova. One another important point here is the cleavage. See, cleavage is again a cell division, but the difference between this is the size is constant here of the cell, whereas in the mitosis it reduce and reduce and reduce. So the say the zygote is there, which cleave. So the cell size is reduced here, whereas the constant is here. Again divide and divide. So the size of the cell is reduced. The first size is large, and the last one is the reduced one. Now what happened in the mitosis and the meiosis? The cell first of all undergo into the prophase. What happened in the prophase? When you see under the microscope, the chromosome or the chromatin material is in the form of diffuse. You cannot see the prominent chromosome here. In the late phase prophase, it starts to condense. Now, what is this condensation? First of all, we go for this. Just I will explain you. See, this is the chromatin material which is in the diffuse form into the cell. Now, see, it is fit into my palm? No, it is more than that. Now, see, because of the condensation, see how it condenses. Say likewise, you rotate it and rotate it and rotate it, rotate it, rotate it, rotate it, rotate it continuously. I think one more person is required. Okay, I will hold this like this and I rotate it. And rotate it, 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 and rotate it. See what happened? See what happened here? See what happened? It condenses, it starts to condense and condense and condense. Again I tight it, again I tight it, again I tight it, again I tight it. See, again I tight it. See, one fold is here, right. Again I condense it. 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 See, another fold is there, right? Again I condense it and I condense it. See, now this, you know, yes, condense. Again I condense it. when I condense it, see, when I condense it, right? Now I can easily fit it into the palm. So this is called the condensation, where now in the late prophase you will see the appearing of the thread-like structures of the chromosomes, right? Then this undergo into the formation of sister chromatids, and then it divides and it undergo into the metaphase. And this chromosome arranged at an equatorial plane. This is the equatorial plane. Okay. And then in the anaphase, these in the late metaphase, the ester formation, that is, they pull these chromosomes towards the pole, and then they and the furrow formation is there in the late anaphase. And the last one is the telophase, where the two cells are formed. The entire genetic material is transferred. This one is the metaphase, and this one is the anaphase, and this one is telophase. So one cell divided into the two cells. So this is in the mitosis.